parked under some shade, bro. Let's see what we're looking like inside. All right, that's gonna be simple.
I was trying to find me a hanger, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, you ain't gonna get it with a hanger unless you know what you're doing, man. I promise you. All you gonna do is tie it up.
Going pretty smooth.
Man, believe it or not, man, when I ain't doing this, I'm working in the tire shop, man. So I'm always busy, brother.
Right. You gotta do something to keep it going.
Yeah.
Man.
We get the photo of the door open, and I just gotta check your ID, brother. Now we're gonna be,
Yes, sir.
we'll be good to go. Yeah.